So now let's use the else, this part here, just to practice. So else, open, close. Here we don't need conditional, so it means any other conditional that doesn't belong to this condition, it will get inside here. So here we just want to see that is working, so we want to print something like okay, just to show that is working, nothing else. So here, and let's copy this also here, so you will see that we are going inside the else. So type a number. So it's working. You see the first one is between 0 to 10, the second one is wrong. So here is working. Remember, it will execute this one but not this one, or this one but not. So it go first with this condition is true, then it doesn't check the next one. If this is not true, it checks the next one.